Hi dear guys, my name is Saftarisa. Today I will discuss question number 6 of unit techniques of integration, chapter number 4, and question is square root of 3x square minus 4x plus 1. Now let's start. Square root 3x square minus 4x plus 1 solution. Let I is equal to integral dx by taking common 3. X square minus 4 by 3 x plus 1 by 3 dx. Now I is equal to 3 under root integral x square minus 4 by 3 x plus 1 by 3 dx. No factorization of it. 3 under root square root x square minus 2 into x into 2 by 3 plus 2 by 3 whole square plus 1 over 3 under root whole square minus 2 by 3 whole square dx. Now 3 under root integral 3 square root integral x minus 2 by 3 whole square minus 3 minus 4 over 9 dx. Next 3 under root integral x minus 2 by 3 whole square minus 1 by 3 square dx. 3 under root by solving integral x minus 2 by 3 x minus 2 by 3 whole square minus 1 by 3 whole square over 2 minus 1 by 3 whole square over 2 cos hyper inverse x power minus 2 by 3 over 1 by 3. By multiplying 3 under root, we will get 3x minus 2 over 6 into 3x square minus 4x plus 1 minus 3 under root over 18 cos hyper inverse 3x minus 2. This is our answer.